Are you still struggling to determine the right entry and exit points? Or are you looking for a scalping strategy with consistent profits? This video might be perfect for you. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will discuss a scalping strategy that will help you determine precise entry and exit points in the market. The scalping strategy we will cover today only uses two free Tradingview indicators. Based on our testing, this scalping strategy is highly effective for Forex scalping, especially on the Euro to US dollar pair with a 15-minute time frame. Make sure to stay until the end of this video so we can explain how to use this scalping strategy step by step. But before we start, don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. If you want to use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. Set the pair to be used as the EURUSD pair. After that, set the time frame to 15 minutes. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab and type ADX and DI with colored histogram by cell. After that, simply select the ADX and DI by cell indicator from Montuan. Now, configure the ADX indicator. In the Input tab, set the ADX length to 12. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some markers that we don't need. Uncheck the markers for DI plus and DI minus. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. The ADX and DI indicator will be used as a signal confirmation filter in the market. If the ADX bar is green, it is a bullish confirmation signal. In this situation, you will only look for the best point to place a buy order. On the other hand, if the ADX bar is red, it is a bearish confirmation signal. In this situation, you will only look for the best point to place a sell order. To help you find the right entry point, now add one more indicator that we will use. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type MACD Crossover Trend Indicator. Then, simply select the MACD Crossover Trend Indicator from this creator. Before you can use the MACD Crossover Trend Indicator, you need to configure it as follows. Go to the Input tab and change the MACD Fast Length to 20. Then, also change the Slow Length value to 55. Finally, change the Signal Smoothing value to 11. Once you have completed the settings, simply click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, this MACD indicator will serve as a guide for placing orders in the market. You just need to follow the signals shown by the indicator. If the MACD indicator gives a buy signal, then it is a buy signal confirmation. Meanwhile, if the MACD indicator gives a sell signal, then it is a sell signal confirmation. To make it clearer, now let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this indicator. How to place a sell order. If the MACD crossover indicator gives a sell signal, confirm that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Make sure the ADX indicator gives a bearish confirmation. Ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the latest high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the MACD crossover indicator gives a buy signal, confirm that it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy order. Make sure the ADX indicator gives a bullish confirmation. Ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the latest low. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the MACD crossover indicator gives a sell signal, confirm that it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Make sure the ADX indicator gives a bearish confirmation. Ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the latest high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.